watching this video for your next learning. Today, I'm going to share with you a very interesting technique of bringing data from multiple spreadsheets and multiple workbooks into one pivot table. Yes, that's true. We are going to build it up and I'm going to showcase to you in a minute. You will see on your screen there's a data. The data represents for certain suppliers 21, 22, year 2020, 23 as well. What all we're going to do is to build this up in a pivot table in a very simple way. And one more year, 2019, is in another file. So we'll bring that as well. So usually what you do is you go on to insert and you go by adding one new pivot table. Today we're going to do differently. So remember the steps. 1, you go to data. 2, click on go data, and then you find a lot of options to get your data from. Today we are going to launch a Power Query editor in order to fetch it from the files. Click on it and Excel will take a moment and build a very beautiful but empty view for you. Now this is very simple and we are going to play with that. We're going to build in the data. So as it shows, it's an empty screen, but there is on the extreme right hand corner, you find this new data source. There are multiple sources over there. What kind of source we have? Excel spreadsheet. So we click on Excel. The moment you click on it, it will show you the import data pop-up and your files. Click on the file with the data inside. So I'm opening the file with all those tabs that we had, different spreadsheets. One by one, Excel is importing your data, and here we are. We have all the data here. We'll simply press OK. The moment you press OK, Excel will import all the data here. We could import only one table because we selected only one. So I'm going to close this file, discard, and we're going to do it again, and we'll bring more tables here. So we will again go to the data, launch Power Query, and simply, as we did before, we will simply click onto Excel version. Now, I have this file, I click on it, and it's importing all the data for me. And it's very simple. You simply select the tables, you click on select multiple tables, and then select all the tables that you need and press OK. Very simple. It's evaluating, it will take some time, so I'll recommend to keep a cup of coffee with you while you're working on your data, so that you don't be impatient with the Excel. So Excel has built all the data here, but what is missing here? If you remember, we are missing now 1 year, that is 2019, that's in another file. So we'll again go back to new source, click on file, import from 2019. So that's another table down there. In that file, it's very simple. We have only one table. So we'll simply select 2019 here and we will say, okay. Excel has imported all our tables. Now we have all the data from 2 different files at one place. All tables are here. Now, very simple, we'll append this data. So simply we'll go and click on append queries. That is also in the home tab. We will open this as a new query, append queries as new. I click on it and then it starts processing all the data there. Now Excel is asking again, do you want to append 2 tables or more than 2? Of course, as you see on the left hand side, we have 5 tables here. So we'll go for 3 or more tables. The moment you click on it, it will pick up all the tables that are available for you. You simply click on add one by one, and here we go. All the tables are here. You can move them back by, or remove by this button. Anyways, we don't need to remove. We simply press OK. And it has appended. Now, it has appended a query, but this query name is very strange for me. So I will say all years data. This is the new name of my query. Makes more sense now. So while we have this, simply click on this particular query, go to close and load to, so that we have it somewhere available for us to see. The moment you click on it, Excel will offer you much more. Do you want to make a table? Do you want to make a pivot table report, or you want to make a chart, or only just create connections? Of course, I want to make a pivot table report. Do you want to do it here, or do you want to take it somewhere else? I would say I will open a new workbook here. Click on it and Excel will open a new workbook. let's not go by the name. And let's see, Excel is importing all the data on the right hand side, which means I'm getting all my tables at one place. And the moment they are loaded, I'll still have my coffee. Keep yours as well ready, because it takes some time to upload the data. And it has created relationships, it has built the data, everything is here with us. We can see all years here. So I'll click on all years and I'll pick the years data and I will bring the years data into the rows here. So you can see all the years data is here with me. I can see how much amount every year I've been earning. I will simply have to go select value field and make it sum. This was fine. Number format, a little bit beautiful number format, so that I can see how much monies I've earned, and press OK. Now it looks exciting and excellent. So folks, you try yourself, build your data at one place. Now this pivot table, I can manipulate and I can play with the data from multiple sheets and multiple workbooks at one place. And it's as fast as you can see. I can manipulate it the way I want. I can even pivot it by product IDs as well. So every year, how many product IDs I sold, and you can see the speed. So it's fast, it's easy, it's quick, and it's powerful. So promise me that you will try it yourself, and you will also share in the comment section your comments as well, that how did it go. And if you see any issues, let me know. We will solve it together. Yet again, I would look forward to see you again, and thank you very much for watching the video. Share it, like it, and subscribe it, so that I can get more and more videos for you in the coming days, weeks, and years. Till then, stay safe and take care. Ta-da!